Hey everyone, hi, this is Ashish from DC Cycle. Today we'll be talking about cycling gloves. A lot of people feel that they are unnecessary. A lot of people feel that there are way too many kinds and they should just get the cheapest one. Today we'll be talking about how to choose a cycling glove and what are the qualities that you should look upon. And do normal gloves, like non-cycling gloves, make things better? Okay, so why do you need a cycling glove? Uh, it is a question that every new rider will ask you, and then they'll buy a glove that is the cheapest on Amazon or Decathlon, and then they'll start cycling, and then they'll feel that it is a waste of money because it does not do anything. But a good glove can improve your cycling experience a lot, especially if you're riding on potholed roads. uh, Here I have several different kind of gloves. I have about uh, three different kinds. I have my regular half finger gloves, uh, which I use for commuting during winter. Sorry, not winter, but summer. I have my full finger gloves, which I use for commuting during winter. Basically, any time the temperature goes below 15 degrees, I use them. And then I have my extreme winter gloves. These are gloves that I use for winter where the temperature is below 10 degrees. Uh, and okay, so now let me explain to you the difference between different kind of cycling gloves. Okay, so the most important thing when you buy a glove is obviously the fit. So most obviously the fit of the gloves. Make sure that they have enough space and they don't feel cramped. So if I wear this glove, if you see, you'll see that it fits perfectly in my hand. There is no cramping. I can move my fingers freely. I can do everything that I want. So that is something very important. Because you don't want your hand to feel stiff while you're riding, and you should be able to do stuff normally that you can do without gloves, right? Okay, so that is the first thing that you need in a cycling glove. That is the perfect fit. The second most important thing in a cycling glove is the padding. So if you see these gloves, they say that they have a gel insert, right? You can usually get cycling gloves for as cheap as 200 or 300 rupees. They won't have any sort of padding, but these one do. They are from Firefox, and they have gel insert padding. I mean, all of my gloves have gel insert padding. Even the ones that I have from Decathlon, these don't have gel insert padding, but you'll see they have some sort of memory foam padding, right? So if any sort of padding is important, because when you're riding on a rough terrain, by rough terrain I mean Indian roads, you'll see that it can become painful really fast. The constant hitting of the bumps can take a toll on your palms and palms area and this area, because there is a lot of bone over here. It can take a toll on them and can give you long lasting pain. So it is very important that you get padded gloves. Gel inserts are the best. Memory foam is the second best. Non-padded gloves, just avoid them. Don't get them. Don't get any non-padded gloves. Okay, so now the second most important thing, the third most important things. We already covered two important things. I'm sorry, I just lost the count. Uh, how do you like when you get full finger gloves? How do you get the function out of them? So the issue with a lot of full finger gloves is that you won't be able to use them with your phone. So what a lot of companies do is they put these conductive strips. If you see, so these strips work perfectly with the touchscreen, and they allow you to use your phone even in even when you're wearing the gloves. So make sure that if you're getting full finger gloves, you have these conductive strips over them, so they'll allow you to use your phone correctly even when you're wearing them. and they improve grip. So when you have these strips, they improve the grip on the brake lever. The brake lever is made of metal and it is quite slippery. So if there is no grip, it can be slippery. But when you have these grips, you can handle the brakes really well. So make sure you're looking for them, and get the gloves appropriate to the temperature. So get these thick fleece gloves. You see that they also have these grips. Only when the temperature is below 10 degrees, get these full finger gloves. Any full finger gloves will do. These are for 8.99 from Decathlon. These are for 16.99. Sorry, 9.99 from Decathlon, and these are for 4.99 from Firefox. So get full finger gloves. These full finger gloves when the temperature is below 15 degrees, and get these gloves if it is anything above that. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you.